Hi guys, I told you I'll start sharing a couple of things that I'm doing at home to get some fresh um, greens or just have nutritious sides and options at home. So this is actually very quick and easy for those of you who can't have a garden or don't have that time and to maintain a garden, or you want to get some fresh greens. Sprouts are super nutritious, and I will do a blog post on my sprinkling seeds page about the health benefits of sprouts. So I have a batch that is finished here, and I will actually be making a fresh set. I do I don't do too much, but at a time they take about 4 to 5 days to get done. To reach this stage, this is about 4 days, and that's good enough for us. And then I put this with eggs. If I make stews, stir fries, anything that pretty much I cook, I put them in. Also, most of the boys except Joshua actually will eat this fresh. And this is so quick and simple, and in 4 days you can have it. So what I do is that this will last us about 3 days, 3 to 4 days. And so while this is being used, I may have a fresh set. I'm not doing too much. Before, I would do like half a cup of the mung beans, and then I realized that it would waste and then I'll have to freeze. So I'm more or less just trying to conserve and use a little at a time, just enough that we can get. These are loaded with lots of vitamins and minerals. Like I said, I'll put a blog post in and try to insert some information in the description bar below. So this is what the finished product looks like. I just use a old sour cream container. You can use a cup, a mason jar. You can use a jar like this. Right now I'm actually putting a lot of my dried beans and grains in my mason jars. So I have a lot of sour cream and ricotta cheese and yogurt, plastic containers, and that's why I'm just using it or getting some use out of it through this method. And this is the sprouts that I am using because this is what I have. I've always generally used mung bean. I picked up this at an Asian grocery store a while back. You can check on Amazon and get it. It's really expensive. I think I paid like $1.99 or $1.89 for this, and it is 14 ounces. And I use this you're gonna get, if you use like a quarter cup at a time, and you're gonna get maybe at least 20 20 sets of this, and maybe even more if you use a little less. I'll show you and walk you through and show you daily how everything looks. So again, this is a video that I'll have to take a couple days to get done, but this is the end product. I'll just wash this, put this in a Ziploc, put it in my refrigerator, and use it as needed. And I can maybe even show you at the end of this video how I use it. Step one, you just want to measure it. This is less than a quarter cup, but because I made a little more than a quarter cup with my last batch, so I'm doing a little less right now. And first step you want to do is wash your beans. Generally I just usually wash them like twice. I forgot to ask you guys to excuse the background. Jordan is here with me. He's watching TV. So you wash it and then the second step after washing it, measuring it, washing it, would be to soak it. Now for the first 24 hours I soak the beans in regular room temperature water, not hot, not cold, regular room temperature, just straight from the pipe, and you soak it. You want to make sure and soak it with 4 times the amount of water in it, of whatever you use. You just eyeball it more or less, and that is stuff that's coming out from the piece itself because I already washed it about 2 or 3 times. So you just soak it for 24 hours. What I like to do is that right now it is morning. It's about 10:30 a.m. tonight before I go to bed, I will just empty this water and put in a fresh set of water. Not washing it, I'll just empty it as much as I can and just pour a fresh set of water for it to go overnight. And tomorrow I will show you how it looks. This is 10 p.m. the same night, less than 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is what it looks like. You can already see that some of the mung beans have already started sprouting. So you want to strain this out, empty the water. I have a little handy strainer that I have a little tiny strainer here that I like to use. It's just an older one that I've had for years, and I just more or less use it to strain out the water. So this is a close-up look. You see the sprouts, it's already starting to sprout. So you strain it. You don't ever want the beans to get dry. So what you do from now is like every couple hours, as you remember, it's mung beans.
Can I see?
I'm making sprouts.
Mom, I want to see.
Yeah, it's mung beans. Do you like those?
It's ripping.
Yes, what? Because I just strained it. We need to wash it now that you're playing with it. So you...
Where you wash my hands?
Yes, okay. So you want to keep it moist as much as possible, and you will add water and keep straining it every couple hours as you can. I try to do it as I cook every hour. Yes?
It's all out of the skin.
Can you eat that?
Yeah.
Taste it. How does it taste?
Good.
See? And yeah, Jordan actually likes the sprouts. And these are loaded with vitamins.
Mom, try one.
Thank you. May I? Thank
Yeah.
you. And you're actually soft and tender. You're not going to leave any liquid in it. You're just going to wash it and just leave it moist. Hi guys. So this is day 2 of what the sprouts look like. I am going to just rinse it, fill this container with water, and then drain it. That's pretty much what I do, and I try my best to not let it get dry out. Yesterday I was only able to do that, wash it about 2 to 3 times because I was we were busy doing all the yard work, and I ended up raking leaves and all that kind of stuff, and now my asthma and sinus are like acting up like crazy. This is what day 3 looks like, starting to really develop into a sprout. Alright, so this is day 4 of the sprout. So this is what it looks like. So that's it. It's so easy. I'm going to put this now in the refrigerator and then use it as I cook. Here I threw in a handful of the mung beans with my rice and beans and Swiss chard from the garden. Just incorporate it into any meal and it's delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.